Welcome. Welcome to a journey through the cosmos, where the silence of space is broken by eerie and unexplainable sounds. Out there, beyond our atmosphere, beyond the familiar twinkling of stars, lies a realm of mystery and wonder. Space is not silent. It hums and thrums with energies unknown, with whispers and screams that have traveled for light years to reach us. Prepare yourself for the strange and unsettling noises that echo through the vast emptiness of space. These are the sounds of the void, and they're calling for you. In 1997, deep beneath the surface of the Pacific Ocean, hydrophones used by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration picked up a sound unlike anything they'd ever encountered. It was loud, powerful, far louder than any known creature on Earth could produce. It was a sound that seemed to claw its way up from the very depths of the ocean, a sound that sent chills down the spines of seasoned scientists. They called it the Bloop. Imagine, if you will, a sound so powerful, so primal, that it seems to shake the very foundations of our planet. A sound that echoes through the vast emptiness of space, a lonely, haunting wail that speaks of something ancient and unknowable. The Bloop, a sound that has haunted the nightmares of sailors and scientists alike. Some say it was a massive, undiscovered sea creature, something lurking in the deepest trenches of our oceans, something beyond our wildest imaginations, a leviathan of the depths, its roar a testament to the raw power of nature. Others whisper of secret government experiments, of sonic weapons capable of shaking the very foundations of our world. But the truth, my friends, the truth is far more terrifying. The truth is that we don't know. The Bloop remains a mystery, a chilling reminder that there are still things in this universe that defy explanation, things that lurk in the shadows, things that go bump in the night, things that make us question our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Imagine for a moment that you're an astronaut. You're floating in the vast emptiness of space, the Earth a distant blue marble in the distance. You're surrounded by the silent void, the stars twinkling like distant diamonds, and then you hear it, the Bloop, a deep, resonant sound that seems to vibrate through your very bones, a sound that speaks of something vast and powerful, something utterly alien to your understanding. You spin around, your heart pounding in your chest, but you see nothing. The void is empty, silent. But the sound, the Bloop, it lingers in your ears, a phantom echo of something you can't explain. You try to rationalize it, to tell yourself it's just your imagination, but deep down, you know better. The Bloop is a reminder that we are but small and insignificant creatures in a vast and indifferent universe. So the next time you find yourself gazing up at the stars, remember the Bloop. August 15th, 1977. A seemingly ordinary night at the Big Ear radio telescope in Delaware, Ohio. The hum of machinery, the soft glow of monitors, the quiet murmur of scientists hard at work. But on this night, something extraordinary would happen. Something that would send shockwaves through the scientific community and ignite the imaginations of dreamers around the world. At precisely 10:16 p.m., a signal was received. A signal unlike anything they'd ever encountered. It was strong, it was clear, and it lasted for a full 72 seconds. 72 seconds that would change our understanding of the universe forever. This was no ordinary signal, this was the wow signal. A signal that seemed to scream out from the depths of space, a signal that hinted at the existence of something beyond our wildest dreams. Imagine, if you will, a signal so powerful, so clear that it cuts through the static of space like a beacon in the night. A signal that carries with it the hope of contact, the promise of something more, the wow signal. A signal that has tantalized and tormented scientists for decades. The signal originated from the constellation Sagittarius, a region of space teeming with stars and possibilities. It was a narrowband signal, centered around the frequency of 1420 megahertz. A frequency, I might add, that is naturally emitted by hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. A coincidence? Perhaps. or perhaps a sign. Some believe it was a natural phenomenon, a quirk of interstellar weather, but the odds of that are astronomical. Others whisper of advanced alien civilizations, of messages beamed across the vast gulf of space, of contact just within our grasp. They speak in hushed tones, their eyes bright with wonder, their minds racing with possibilities. But the truth, my friends, the truth is far more intriguing. The truth is that we don't know. The wow signal remains a mystery, a tantalizing enigma that continues to baffle scientists to this day, a reminder that we are not alone in the universe. Imagine for a moment that you are back at that radio telescope in Delaware, Ohio. It's a dark and stormy night, the wind howling outside like a banshee. You're huddled over your instruments, listening intently to the static of space. And then you hear it, the wow signal. Clear, distinct tone rising above the background noise like a beacon in the night. Your heart skips a beat. Could this be it? Could this be the proof you've been searching for? The proof that we are not alone? You adjust your instruments, your hands trembling with anticipation, and listen again. The signal is still there, stronger than ever. You scramble for your notebook, your mind racing. You need to record this, to analyze it, to understand it. But deep down you already know. This is no ordinary signal. This is a message from the stars. A message that has traveled for light years to reach us. A message that could change everything. Black holes. Regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners, devouring everything in their path. And as they consume matter, they emit a sound unlike anything you've ever heard, a sound that will send chills down your spine and make you question the very fabric of reality. Imagine, if you will, a sound that is both terrifying and beautiful, a sound that speaks of creation and destruction, a sound that echoes through the very fabric of space-time. This is the sound of a black hole, a sound that has been described as a deep, guttural roar, a cosmic symphony of death and rebirth. In 2003, astronomers using NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory discovered something remarkable. They discovered that a supermassive black hole located in the Perseus galaxy cluster was emitting pressure waves. These pressure waves, traveling through the hot gas that surrounded the black hole, were creating ripples like the ripples in a pond. And these ripples, my friends, these ripples were sound waves. Now I know what you're thinking. Sound can't travel through the vacuum of space, can it? And you're right. But these sound waves weren't traveling through empty space. They were traveling through the hot, diffuse gas that surrounded the black hole. And these sound waves were deep, so deep in fact that they were the lowest notes ever detected in the universe. Scientists estimate that the sound emitted by the black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster is a B-flat, 57 octaves below middle C. That's a note so low that it's well below the range of human hearing. But even though we can't hear it, the sound is there, a constant low-frequency hum echoing through the vastness of space. Imagine for a moment that you're an astronaut, floating in space near a black hole. You're surrounded by the inky blackness of the event horizon, the point of no return, and then you hear it, the sound of the black hole, a deep, resonant hum that seems to vibrate through your very bones. You feel a sense of awe and terror wash over you. You're witnessing one of the most powerful forces in the universe, a force that can bend light and warp time. And as you listen to the sound of the black hole, you realize that you're hearing the sound of creation and destruction, the sound of the universe itself. The universe is vast and full of mysteries. These sounds are just a glimpse into the unknown. Countless mysteries whisper to us from the darkness, beckoning us to unravel their secrets. If you enjoyed this journey into the strange sounds of space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more spine-chilling stories. And until next time, sleep tight and don't let the void bite.